Here are my HP instruments for measuring microwave frequency and wavelength. These are all from the 1950s or 1960s. This is a slotted line used for measuring microwave wavelength. It's a carriage that moves a probe back and forth over a slot, and you connect a microwave signal to one end of this, and it's actually grounded at the other end. And the probe moves back and forth in the slot. And this is a microwave signal generator, 8616A, goes up to 4.5 gigahertz. It's got this klystron power tube inside of it. This is a 415D standing wave ratio meter that measures the voltage coming out of that probe. And this is a frequency meter. And the way this works is I have the generator running at 4 gigahertz with the square wave modulation. And when I move the carriage back and forth, you can see the meter swing. It goes down, and then it goes up, down. So if I find the first peak right here, and then mark that spot, and then traverse down, you can see the wave. It goes down, goes back up, that's a half a wave, and then down, and back up, and you find the spot right where the highest point is, which is right about there, and then you can read right off of here. So 9.3 minus 16.8, 7.5 centimeters. That's the wavelength for a 4 gigahertz wave. And the way I can measure that frequency is with this frequency meter. And when I traverse by the frequency, there's 4.1. When I get down towards 4.0, you can see the meter will dip right there. You find the furthest part of that dip, it's right about there. It's really just slightly under 4.0, so 3.995, which is pretty close to 4. So these are sort of mechanical meters, mechanical tools for measuring frequency and wavelength of microwaves. And this microwave generator just happens to have this big casting in it that I got out of the garbage at HP 35 years ago. And I opened this unit up, and there's that exact piece inside of it. Kind of a funny coincidence. And this has got this complicated gear train in here with these cable-driven cams and lots of little gears and mechanisms. And then here's the attenuator side, also more gears. Very complicated mechanically. So, here's some more of my HP instruments. The bigger one of those frequency meters. Here's some more slotted lines for that to fit on that carriage to measure higher frequencies. These ones use waveguides instead of coaxial. And a quick look at the rest of my collection of instruments. Pretty much all 60s. Some of these are from the 50s. Miscellaneous.